Hello, everyone. How to price your freelance gigs, find clients, and make your first $1,000 in 2025. You've got the skills, you've built some projects, but you're stuck asking yourself, how much should I charge? Where do I even find clients? And most of all, is it really possible to make my first $1,000 doing this? Let's break it all down. In this video, I'm giving you the real roadmap: how to price your gigs, how to find clients fast, and how to turn all that into your first $1,000 month as a freelancer in 2025. Part 1: How to price your freelance gigs. Let's start with pricing and forget all that charge what you're worth nonsense. Here's the real deal. 1. Start based on your confidence level, not fear. If it's your first 2 to 3 gigs, aim to build trust, not your wallet yet. Example: per one landing page, 4,000 rupees. Per one bug fix, 1,500 rupees. 1 project, simple automation, 7,000 rupees. You're not underpricing because you suck. You're earning credibility. 2. Raise your rate as your proof grows. Each good review is a green flag to raise it. Do it 2 landing pages, 4,000 rupees. Next one, charge 8,000 rupees. You've shown value. Raise accordingly. 3. Sell clearly. Bad: I can build websites. Price depends. Good: 1-page site, 2 revisions, mobile friendly. People pay when they understand what they're buying. How to find clients, even if you're new. Now, let's talk about finding clients, the real money move. Here are 4 proven methods that work in 2025, especially if you're just starting. 1. Cold outreach, still undefeated. Go to Google Maps, find small businesses near you with outdated sites. Send them a short, helpful message. Hey name, I love what you're doing with business. I noticed your site could use a refresh. I'm a freelance dev, and I made a quick homepage redesign preview if you'd like to check it out. Happy to send it over. Use ChatGPT to help write it. Keep it friendly. No pressure. 2. Fiverr or LinkedIn. Gigs. Start with one service only. Offer something like, I'll build a responsive landing page in 2 days. Make your gig title clear and your delivery tight. 3. Discord, Facebook groups. Join startup or small business groups. Look for people asking for help. Reply with value. Don't sell instantly. Build trust first. 4. Turn referrals into clients. Your first 1 to 2 clients, treat them like royalty. Why? Because a happy client equals 2 more. Over-deliver. Deliver fast. Make it stupid easy to recommend you. How to scale to your first $1,000 month. Here's the math that most people don't realize. You don't need 100 clients. You need maybe 5 to 7. Let's say in 1 month you do. First step, 1 task, landing pages, quantity. 2. Rate, 4,000 rupees, total, 8,000 rupees. Second task, bug fixes, quantity 3, rate, 1,500 rupees, total, 4,500 rupees. Third task, automation project, quantity 1, rate, 7,000 rupees, total, 7,000 rupees. Fourth task, subtotal for 1 week, quantity and rate. Subtotal and total are calculated from the above tasks. Total, 19,500. Fifth task, monthly total, 4 weeks. Total, 78,000. So as you can see, even with just a few simple projects per week, you can earn up to 78,000 rupees a month as a freelance coder. No degree, no fancy setup. Just skills, consistency, and the right mindset. Let this be your motivation to get started today. Key habits to get there. Deliver 1 day early, communicate like a pro, follow up with every lead, keep improving your pitch and pricing, tips to keep growing. Without burnout. Scaling isn't about working 24/7. It's about working smart. Build packages, set clear scopes, raise prices every 3 to 5 clients, and don't chase every gig. Chase the ones that match your service. You're not too late, you're not underqualified. You're just 1 client away from momentum. Price smart, deliver better, market loud. That's it, guys. Next video, I'm showing you how to write a cold email that actually gets replies with a real example. Subscribe if you're serious about this life. Let's build something real.